I'm doing here is a quick uh, a quick throttle hack. This is the throttle from my bike, and what happens is that when you go to push the throttle, you have to twist a lot, and you get to the end of your wrist movement, and it's still not completely pulled, and so you can't completely push the throttle. And what I'm doing here is a simple hack, which is let me try and show you. I'm gonna use a little bit of wire just to show you what happens. So the throttle cable usually is stuck here inside, like a bit like this, and it goes around this, and when you push it, when you twist it, it pulls the cable. It wraps around and pulls. But as this is not a very big circle, you gotta twist more. So what I'm gonna do is, I got here this piece of plastic, and this was simply the middle of one of these. This is some tape, and the middle thing is in plastic. I had one which was over, so I just cut a notch on it, and then I cut it in half, and now it gives me the exact size to fit where I need, more or less like this. Throttle cable starts pulling on this side, so I'm gonna push it up on this side like so, and I'm gonna use super glue to keep it in place. And once I have it in place, next time I put my throttle cable, when I push it, wrapping around will be a bigger circle, so with less twist movement it will pull more cable, and I'll be able to achieve all movement without reaching the complete movement of my wrist. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit, and I'll be pushing all gas. And this is a do-it-yourself quick throttle hack. So let me just glue this in place. I got here a handyman's best friend, super glue. I'm gonna lay some here, and I'm gonna fit the thing. Okay. I'm gonna put it there in place. Now I'm gonna make sure it is in place, and I'm gonna use a smaller zip tie to wrap it around and hold it in place while it dries, to make sure it dries where I want. Okay, just gonna put this like here like so, and yeah, like this. Tighten it a bit more, pull it into place, and okay. I'm gonna trim here a little bit because this is a bit higher than the inside. And okay. Now just let it dry. I might add here another little bit of glue, and another one here in the back, and just let it dry like this. Once it's dry, I can install it to the bike, and I'm gonna have a fast throttle. Okay. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm simply gonna cut this zip tie that was holding it in place, and there we go. We got the thing secured. I'll install it to the bike. Okay, now that I got the throttle installed to the bike and the hack was made, this is complete movement. Here is 0, here is full throttle, so only with this you got full gas. Before I used to go all the movement of my wrist down and I wasn't able to push it all. I would have to put my hand too far ahead. Right now just grab it like this and 0 throttle, 100% throttle, 0 full. Okay, and it is completely like loose and works fine. A quick homemade throttle. Okay.